Today's recipe is a cinnamon swirl cake. We're going to start off by using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 cups of sugar. Go ahead and give that a mix, and then after you mix it, you're going to go ahead and set that aside for now, and we're going to start on our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, we're going to add 1 egg, and we're going to give it a slight whisk. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of milk, a 1/3 cup of sour cream, and we're going to give that a whisk or a mix. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients to that. And again, you want to whisk it or mix it. I don't know why I call it whisk. It's mixing. Okay. Now we're going to put it in our greased pan. I just used some coconut oil spray, but you can go ahead and do the butter, flour type of thing, but this works fine for me. Once you have it in there, we're going to go ahead and make our swirl, cinnamon swirl thing. Half a cup of sugar, 3 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of slightly melted butter. You should get about like a softened, crumbly consistency. If you need to add any more of your ingredients, I don't know, sometimes butter melts differently. Okay, and now we're gonna just drop it by spoonfuls into our batter. Okay, now we're gonna bake that at 35 to 45 minutes or until done, depending on your oven. Now we're gonna make our icing. We're gonna start off with half a cup of powdered sugar, and we're gonna use 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. You may need more, you may need less. You can just adjust it by adding more powdered sugar or leaving out less milk. And then don't add your icing when your cake comes out straight out of the oven. Of course, you're gonna let it cool, or else it's gonna just drip off of your cake. There you go. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Talk to you guys next video.